My dad was actually in the army during the Second World War, and whilst he was away, way back in 1942, his brother and his brother-in-law had started a little business here in the village of Tobermore. Basically, it was digging sand and gravel out of the ground, which was then used in small construction projects. When my dad came home in 1946, my grandmother, who was an amazing lady, gave him £500. Doesn't sound much to us today, but was a huge amount of money in those days. And he put that money into the business, got some shares in the business, and the rest is a little bit of history then. Eventually one of my uncles dropped out and another dropped out, so then I just left my dad and another uncle in the business, and then just myself and my dad. So that's how the business started. They did sand and gravel for a number of years, but then they very quickly started doing some basic concrete products, and then that has gradually evolved into more sophisticated concrete products. And today we are one of the leading manufacturers of paving in the United Kingdom. So it's been an amazing journey from 1942 to today.